Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys lock screen sound setting guys. How can we disable? Friends, you don't want to use guys Infinix from my phone lock screen sound. So guys, what is lock screen sound guys? First of all, I will show you. Friends, you can see guys when do we unlock our phone and guys when do we lock our phone. So as you can see guys, this background guys lock screen sound. So friends, you don't like guys, you want to disable, you don't want to use guys this screen lock sound setting guys. You can disable in your Infinix phone from phone setting guys. So after all phone setting guys, scroll it and friends click on guys your phone sound and vibration, and guys again scroll. Friends, you can see guys this phone guys screen lock sound guys. We will tap here to disable. After disable guys, come back. Friends, now guys you can off your screen without this sound, and friends you can unlock your phone without this sound. So like that guys. Sorry fans, I paused the video guys because of sound. So fans, like that guys, you can disable it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.